Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hey everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making instant handvo. So this is a super quick recipe and it's healthy as we are adding lots of veggies while making this handvo, and it takes no time to get ready and it's scrumptious and delicious. So to begin with, in a bowl, first I am adding a cup of coarse Sooji, that is semolina, and this is not roasted one, this is raw one. To that add in 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Give that a mix. Now goes in a cup of yogurt, curd. Mix that in. You can also use buttermilk in place of yogurt, and then add in some water. We need around half cup of water. Alright, now see the consistency, it needs to be on thicker side and not very loose batter. Now in this, let's go ahead and add in veggies. So half cup of shredded carrot. Then we have red pepper and green pepper. This is capsicum, red and green, coriander leaves. In spices we need turmeric powder, red chili powder. You should add spices before adding veggies. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and ginger and green chili paste. So this is about half-inch piece of ginger and 2 to 3 green chilies that's been coarsely ground, and some roasted peanuts. It adds that nice crunch in this handvo, and of course salt. Mix that everything well. And now allow it to sit for just about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been over 10 minutes now. In this, we'll go ahead and add in a teaspoon of Eno fruit salt and just a tablespoon of water to activate it. Perfect. And quickly mix this in. Now, if you do not want to add Eno fruit salt, in that case, you can use half teaspoon of baking soda and add in that soda while adding yogurt itself, curd itself. You mix that soda while making batter itself. You don't need to wait until it's ready to get over pan. Now this batter is ready. So batter is ready. Now for tempering, in the pan I have preheated a tablespoon of oil. First goes in half teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then goes in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Few curry leaves and a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Quickly mix this in. And now in this pan, add in this batter. Spread this around evenly. Cover this up and cook this over a low heat, lowest possible temperature of your stove for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it gets nice golden colors from the bottom side. Alright, so over here this handvo has been cooked on very low heat for 10 minutes. Now let's open the cover. Since it's not possible to lift this entire handvo with the spatula, I am going to take one plate or thali and just going to flip this over. Lovely. Look at that. It has got that awesome color. Now in the same pan I am going to heat up a tablespoon of more oil. After oil is hot enough, again goes in half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle around. Then goes in half teaspoon of cumin seeds, sesame seeds, curry leaves. Mix that up. And now gently slide in the other side of this uncooked side of this handvo into a pan like so. Lovely. Again put the lid on and let this cook for another 10 minutes. Alright, and here it's been cooked from other side as well for another 10 minutes. Lovely. Look at the color it has got. And now again take a plate or any steel thali, flip this over. Lovely. Superb. Alright, now let's check how it has turned. So let's dig in. Superb. Lovely. Look at this. It has got this nice texture from both the sides. It's a nice fluffy and nice and crispy from both the sides and fluffy and soft and from inside. It has all the veggies, spices, masalas, so you can have just as it is. And make sure that you hit the subscribe icon plus bell icon so that whenever I post new recipe, that is 2 recipes a week, Tuesday and Thursday, you will be the first to get informed about that. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.